Hello everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In today's video, we are going to learn about break and continue in Java because we have already learned about loops. So now it's time we learn about break and continue. Before starting, I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to IntelliSkills if you haven't yet done it. And with this note, we can begin our video. So first, we'll have like a normal loop. Int I is equal to 1. I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. Okay, it's a very normal loop, and here we print I. Now if you run the program, there is nothing unusual. It's just printing from 1 to 10. Now what if you want to print only the numbers from 1 to 5 in this for loop? So just instead of doing this, I want you to iterate it up to 10 only, but it will print only up to 5. So what can you do for that? So I can say if I greater than 5, then we can break. Okay, if you run the program now, you can see it only prints up to 1 like 1 2 3 4 5. Now why did I use break and what is its function, like what did it do? So you can see first it prints 1, next increments, so prints 2 again, then it again prints 3, then it again prints 4, and then it again prints 5, and then when it comes to 6, it sees that I greater than 5, so it breaks, it comes out of the loop. Okay, it stops every iteration, so comes out of the loop. Now upon iteration, if I becomes 5, then I wanted to skip 5 and then keep on moving. Okay, so I wanted to print it like 1 2 3 4, it skips 5, then 6 7 8 9 10. So how to do that? I can say I equal to 5, and instead of break I'll use continue. Okay, and if you run the program, you can see it prints 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. So what did continue do? It skipped that current iteration and it moved on. Okay, so basically when it sees it printed 1 2 3 4 just normally, and then when it sees I equal to 5, and when it goes inside the loop it says continue, when it goes inside the if block it says continue, it skips this iteration, it skips this statement. Okay, and it starts printing from 6. Now can I use this continue keyword? Okay, these are keywords. Break and continue are keywords. They are certain words in Java which hold a special meaning to the compiler of Java. Like imagine like Java's dictionary, so they have certain meanings in Java's dictionary. Okay, so break and continue are also keywords. For like true and false are keywords. Okay, these are all keywords. And if you want to print the even numbers using the odd numbers, I said odd numbers, right? If you want to print the odd numbers using continue, how will you do that? So instead of this condition in if, you can pass I modulus 2 equal to 0, then we say continue. Okay, now if you run the program, you can see 1 3 5 7 9 means all the odd numbers are printed. So what did happen? I modulus 2 equal to 0 means it's the even number condition, that if you divide I by 0 and the remainder, if you divide I by 2 and the remainder is 0, that means the even number condition. Then you have to continue. That means whenever you see a even number, you skip the iteration, and if it is an odd number, you print it. Okay, that's it. Now if you used break over here, what would happen? If you run the program, you can see it prints only 1. Why? Because see, in the for loop, first I is 1, so it checks this condition 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, no, so it prints 1. Next it next I becomes 2, right? So it checks 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, yes, 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, so it breaks, it comes out of the loop. but for continue it skips that current iteration and then I becomes 3 again. But in break it just comes out of the loop, so only 1 is printed. Okay, I hope you understood the difference between break and continue. Now your task will be to print the even numbers using break and continue or whatever you want to use. Okay, so these are 3 assignments or 3 programs that you can practice in your own system to understand break and continue much better. The first program is stop when a multiple of 7 is found. Second program is skip all numbers that are divisible by 3. And the third program is print only the first 5 even numbers between 1 and 50. Okay, these are the 3 programs. I hope you can do them if you understood this video. And if you have any problem relating to solving these or any problem related to the video, understanding any point, then you can leave your doubts down below in the comments, and you can also leave your solutions in the comments and I'll check them out and reply you people. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep exploring. Thank you and bye-bye.